Encountering Xbox controller driver errors in Windows 11? I'll share fixes to resolve this issue. Stay tuned for solutions to ensure seamless connectivity and functionality with your Xbox controller on your system. Right-click on the Start icon, then choose Device Manager. Now, expand the Universal Serial Bus Controllers folder. Right-click on every USB option and tap on Update Driver. Once the processes have finished, restart your computer to have the modifications take effect. You can now use the Xbox controller to try again. If you would want to update your USB driver automatically and save more time, you can use Outbyte Driver Updater to complete the procedure quickly and enjoy the most recent version of any driver. Right-click on the Start icon, then choose Device Manager. Now expand the Xbox One controller section, right-click it, and tap on Uninstall Device. Once the operation is completed, restart your PC. While the computer is rebooting, Windows will automatically reinstall the driver. Press the Windows key +I to open the Settings app. Then click on Windows Update in the left panel. In the event that there are any new updates that need to be downloaded, the Install Now option should be used. Otherwise, the Check for Updates button should be used to determine whether any new updates have been issued. To completely reboot your computer and fix a lot of frequent issues, you can physically disconnect your Xbox console from it, restart it, or perform a complete power cycle. Attempt to plug the controller into the PC and unplug it multiple times. This simple approach should be the first one you attempt because it consistently yields favorable outcomes. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.